it. And Lakshmi, to answer your mail, you said like when you try to do something, you are getting a message like somebody is already locked that particular thing, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
we can't do anything for that, and it's basically, like I said, this is this system is not only meant for us. It's been accessed by multiple people. సో అందుచేత ఎవరన్నా అక్కడ మీకు పనిచేస్తూ ఉంటే అదే పర్టికులర్ నోడ్లో you may have that issue. So can you please log into system now? Okay, I'll show you once.
Why, sir?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
I'm asking you to log into the place where I am going there. I'll show you the problem so that I'll also give you how to rectify that issue. Though it is
Okay.
unethical, but we have no option to do but to proceed with it. మీరు ఇక్కడికి వెళ్ళండి ఒకసారి. Can you please go to this place?
I got. Yes, sir.
Or maybe Pavitra, even you also can do the same. So that yeah. I mean, Lakshmi, instead of you, can you please, Pavitra, can you please go to this place? Go to enterprise structure definition, edit company, delete check company. Can you please go to this place with your user ID? Just let me know when you are there. Have you gone there? Pavitra, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. I'm there.
Edit, copy, delete, check company code. Can you please go into this node like this?
Yes.
Go into edit
Yes, sir.
company
Done.
code. Now,
Yes.
Lakshmi, can you see this is the kind of message that we are seeing, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so ఇది నేనేం చేయలేనండి దీనికి. Nobody can do it except you have to follow the the procedure which I am doing. ఏమైందంటే చూడండి ఇక్కడ this particular table has been locked by user Pavitra. సో ఇట్లా ఈ సిస్టమ్ మనకులాగా చాలా మంది యాక్సెస్ చేసి ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తూ ఉన్నారండి. సో వెన్ యూ గో విత్ yes, it will go only with the display mode. సో మీరు ఇక్కడికి వెళ్ళి if you want to go and make a change, you cannot do it
Right.
until Pavitra comes out of this table. సో ఈ సిస్టమ్ ఎవరెవరు యాక్సెస్ చేస్తున్నారో మనకు తెలియదు. దేర్ మే బి 100 people accessing it. So in order to minimize the loss of time from our end, because before coming into this, you have seen it here. It's accessed by Pavitra. So the ID miru, this is user ID and you copy this ID, right? Then what I'll tell you is there's a transaction code. Okay, you use this transaction code SM04. Okay, here you could see ఎవరు ఏ స్క్రీన్ యాక్సెస్ చేస్తున్నారో you could see. You look at here. ఈ ఐడి కదా మీరు యాక్సెస్ చేస్తున్న టేబుల్ని లాక్ చేసింది. సో యూ సెలెక్ట్ దిస్ ఐడి, గో విత్ సెషన్స్, కస్టమైజింగ్ ఎడిట్ ప్రాజెక్ట్. ఈ నోడ్లో ఉంది ఆవిడ. సో you kill her session, means you end her session. Now you see I'm ending session locked by Pavitra. Pavitra మీకేమైంది మీ దగ్గర?
End session.
అది. So Lakshmi, now you look at this. Pavitra session got ended. Immediate గా మీరు ఏం చేస్తారంటే అప్పుడు మీ ప్లేస్ లో మీరు వచ్చేసి మీరు లాక్ చేసుకోండి. Right? So this is
నాది
అనేది
మొత్తం SAP
Okay, sir.
నుంచి లాగ్ ఆఫ్ అయిపోయింది.
అవుతుందండి. ఎందుకంటే మీరు ఒకే సెషన్ లో ఉన్నారు కదా, మీరు ఒకటే సెషన్ ఓపెన్ చేసి ఉంచారు కాబట్టి మీరు బయటకు
Okay,
వస్తారు.
okay.
హ్యాడ్ యూ ఓపెన్ 3-4 సెషన్, ప్రాబబ్లీ దట్ పర్టికులర్ సెషన్ ఓన్లీ కమ్స్ అవుట్. Right?
Okay, okay.
So though this is unethical, other than this you have no option, because we cannot control, like we cannot ask that person please do not give access to anybody else. అట్లా మనం చెప్పలేం కదండి. So to minimize the loss of time from our end, you go ahead and do this, though unethical. Okay, Andy?
Yes, sir. Thanks.
Yeah, not a problem. All right. So let's try to understand. I think yesterday we have seen the overview of purchasing, and we did created a single purchase requisition or a couple of requisitions. We have gone through the process, how to process a requisition, what are the various views available or the pages available in purchase requisition, and I think we are at this place. So let's try to understand what is account assignment category and what is item category. I'm going with display purchase requisition. I wanted to show you the purchase requisitions that I've created yesterday. Let me go and display the requisition. Okay, you could see here, this is the requisition that I've created yesterday. Look at here, there is something called account assignment category. What is account assignment category? How it can be used? Okay, your account assignment category is a single character key that specifies how the accounting is going to be taking place upon doing receipt of this material. Okay, so it's a single character key that specifies how the accounting for this particular material upon receipt of this, when it is delivered by the supplier, right? So this will tell you which account it is going to be updated, how much it is going to be updated, etc., etc., will be known by or will be determined by this particular account assignment category. So let me tell you. For example, now you see here, I have not given anything here. Even not giving anything in the account assignment is also called a standard account assignment category or the normal item. Unless otherwise specified, if the account assignment category is blank, that means that material follows the normal account assignment. Okay, like this. Okay, so if there is no account assignment, that means that is considered as a stock material. If you look at this slide, you could see stock material with material master record. What do you mean by stock material? Can anybody tell me? We have discussed this in material master material type settings. Can anybody tell me what is stock material?
Material which is stocked in advance.
Technically. You may be correct from the process wise, but I want the answer from technical perspective. Did anybody remember the material type configuration that we have already completed last week? In the material type configuration, I've shown you quantity update, value update. Did you guys remember that? చెప్పండి, గుర్తుందా లేదా మీకు?
quantity.
Let me show you here. You see here, rear wheel tire is my material. So this material belongs to raw material, correct? So you see here, I'm copying this one. Okay, let me take you to material master table Mara. Okay, so when you go into this table, you see what material type this material belongs to. When you double click this one, okay, you see here this belongs to ROH. Now you go to material type settings, transaction OMT3, I think so. Or let me go with SPRO, SAP reference IMG, logistics general, material master. When you go into this under settings for basic settings, oops, what happened? Material types, attributes of material types. Here you go with ROH. Here I've shown you this thing called quantity update, value update. You see here, quantity update by valuation area. What is valuation area? Which is your plant. Just go with quantity value updating here for your plant, which is 777C, isn't it? A check should be there. When the check is available for the material type with reference to which you have created material, then that material is called stockable material. Means when you receive the material, stock quantity goes up. When you issue that material, stock quantity goes down. That is what is meant by stock material. Okay, so now look back to the slide. Stock material with material master record available. Now you tell me, is this a stock material? Rear wheel tire? Are you getting my point? Rear wheel tire, is it a stockable material? I would say yes, if it's a stockable material. When it is a stockable material, system looks for, is there any account assignment category maintained for that? You have to look at here. Is there any account assignment category maintained for this? No, there is no account assignment category. When there is no account assignment category maintained for that stock material, then the stock, when it is received with reference to PO, system determines the account automatically based on the information available in the material master's accounting view plus few more parameters that we set it in configuration, right? And all these things will take place at the time of goods receipt, right? So this is called normal accounting, right? Then look at the other one. Let's say I'm going to create a new purchase requisition where I have no material master. For example, office supplies, consumables, okay, like stationery items. You don't require to have a material master for that, right? So in such cases, office supplies okay, when there is no material master record available for that material, how will the system determines into which account this expense incurred while purchasing stationery to be managed? That's where you require account assignment category. So you require account assignment category for all those items for which there is no material master record available, or there could be consumable materials for which is assumed to be consumed immediately upon receipt. It means you don't keep it in stock. For those materials, you require account assignment category. When you require account assignment category, you see here, you will be adding, whether it is depending upon what type of the material that you are going to procure, you have to define it either as cost center or an asset or a project or whatever, something else. So you specify a certain account assignment category here. Based on the account assignment category maintained here, now you see here under item details table, you don't see anything called account assignment. But now you see, I'll go with create. Okay, here like I said, I don't have any material, but I wanted to purchase stationery items. Okay, when I purchase stationery items, how much? 10. Quantity, say each. Right? Delivery date. Let me give delivery date also. Right? Then material group. I have to do the material group as well for all those materials which when there is no material master. So let's say office. Okay, office materials. And then which plant? 77C. Now you see I'm hitting enter. Look at this. What is that it is asking? Can somebody read this one?
Yes. Account assignment category.
Please enter material number or account assignment category. Why is it asking? Look at my slide. Either you have to have a material number if it is a stock material. If it is not a stock material, then you have to enter the account assignment. You see here, consumable material or without material master record. You have to enter account assignment category. So now here, what I'll do is, because I don't have the material master number, let me go and maintain account assignment category. For example, I am buying stationery items.